Hi, I'm Spenser Miller-Fellows, Director of Enablement at Revenue.io. Today, I'm going to share how our AEs use conversation AI to collaborate internally on their deals. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my inbox, which is the hub where all the notifications about shared calls, annotations, coaching requests, everything will come into. If you're a member of a team, you're going to see all the different requests from different folks, your saved searches, all the things that would prompt you to take some action within Conversation AI. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to see, oh, Carter, one of our AEs, shared a call with me and wants me to take a look at it. Let's take a look why. As I pull up the call, you'll immediately see it jumps straight into a specific moment within the call. Here, this moment is within the transcript, and I can see that's something that Carter and I had been talking about from a training perspective. But if Carter were trying to share this with a solutions engineer or a technical resource, we could use our searching of the transcript feature to find things like configuration. And so you can see I will search for configure, and all the moments where that pops up in the call can be found here. That way you can jump down, click to that moment, you can either annotate it and add additional comments, or even more importantly, share it just like Carter did to get this into someone else's inbox. You can see by going to that moment in the transcript, it's now got the time selected, and I can share this back with David, one of our solutions engineers, in order to make sure that the appropriate action is taken in that configuration. For further information on this and other features of the Revenue.io platform, visit us at Revenue.io and check out our Success Center at support.revenue.io.